The country where I come from, the truth is an irony. Just like animal farm, justice mean inequity. So who go say the truth? Who go say the truth? Christian cancer, silence. Islamic leaders, silence. Kings and queens, silence. Traditional leaders, silence. So who go say the truth? We are them go so confused the call. Now by area why no better. We are them go so confused the call. One guy's area why no better. Who go say the truth? Who go say the truth? Oh, he need it now. See what I see so. Now your friend on a night come asem. Only papi obeka na sembia. So I want obet you too. Everybody was afraid. And when Tinan to my cottage again, once my board dumping one another. But who go tell the truth? Nanai or say me. Nanso bien person beka wasam because everybody is afraid. Anya safwe muayini. Akuku drofo nyina dalima. Who go say the truth? Obiaja konson so to grow your mansa to me be a cacobrafo. Efo anyina ye. Efo when you know yet. Na so kutrata down so be dia back or why no keke. I fene for be man mo piafo efo ne cross on my mo. Anya safwe mo ayini. Akuku trofo nyina dalema. Enti who go say the truth? Abaya di bote chino. Yedi bi bebo nyande bi. Kachisa would your mouth pipinuma. Would your mind never shine and fry for some? But who go tell the truth? TUC, silence. Even journalists, silence. Oh, then who go say the truth? Right is right. Wrong is wrong, no matter how you justify. You say you wanna get rid of corruption. Someone want to help you, now the person become your target. Jobless no they mean senseless. Poverty no they mean useless. One day them go resist.
My name is Joe Chris. Talk Nation. What's the song in this country? Name of course woman who they simple. And they are fought. It started from the 90s and me and Bonnie and I'm fun of fire monkeys. And what's the song in this country? The lawmakers tend to not protect the people they for protect us, they work against us. Police they connect with the armed robbers, they work together, then they kill all the innocent souls. What the song in this country? You know Rastaman you're going to say donkey. Moving like the post when you will be forgetting about the men in suits, the MPs. And what's the song in this country? What the innocents end up in prisons. Them they tell the poor for shaking reasons. So they not get money to pay for lawyers' bribery. And what's the song in this country? Social media they made the people they live fake life. Slave queens they slay hard for fake hype. People they build them as skin, cast a lifestyle. What's the song in this country? Pastors turn churches to trade centers. They give fake prophecies to make business. Fake mala, better twisters. In Srimana Bano, what do they teach us? Politicians turn to politics test. They play games for the people's intelligence. Then they confuse us with big sentences. What a song it is a country.
That's right. Man for is serious. Some countries are too serious for their future leaders. And you grow from one year, look at this. Conducive serene environment. Yet you're the practicals. Obiat in the computer home. Oh. Ready. Share you, yes. Look at this. Mayale. Yes. Yenye. The legends. Sungwa. Nyamebeche Republicans. That's right. Also, nimi for 21st century 2021. This is the future leaders. This is the leaders we want to have. Wait. Bibi Abafa. Look at this. Hey, Africans. Nyame wom o nyamayo. Maadu yese mube wako trewe ma. Monto mobo. Look, hey, yenenchie. Baby I'm crazy at you. Yenenchie. Cow. Typical mature cow and no more. Sasa no huriye kura nyasem kutua. Huriye. And maybe no once na kura maunziade. And once na. Look at this. Ah. Yes. Yade. Hey, ready nyami. Ready. Shemide why? Yes. I want to give up, but I mean give you up. Why? I'm out for mama. A form of motor to say chabam. Yay. Dear Rocosia. Ray, ye future leaders. Oh, ebe ye. Nyame bechre. Won kwa wate. Abu brokosia. Yenum se sa na jeku. Oh, ready.
Say wo o mampanyi na Akufo-Addo
menim nya dia me oga me menim ka bo say o mampanyi wo Ghana kroma bi say Akufo-Addo aso kwasa na ga che e bi apisi papa e bi aso no de oni mo bi sa we de me ji di
it is unnim say wo mampanyi e fe na Akufo-Addo enti okay o mampanyi o hwe yeso ye fe ne say
e hwe yeso
yeah
Ghana obi a hwe obi so obi hwe obi so wo Ghana kroma.
Now, Ebra MPP kasa yentu abamano no. Enye fixing the country in Tinobai. Whoever is against fix the country is stupid. Whoever will speak against fixing Ghana is an animal. Oye aboa. Muna meka bechira. Oye kwasia. We are against fix the economy, fix the country, you know. So your man pegini, so your minister, so your wine, so your musician, so your wine, so we are boaba.
Unim say wo o mampanyi na Akufo-Addo
Menim nya dia me oga me menim ka bo say o mampanyi wo Ghana kroma bi say Akufo-Addo aso kwasa na ga che e bi apisi papa e bi aso no de oni mo bi sa we de me ji di
it is unim say wo mampanyi e fe na Akufo-Addo enti okay o mampanyi o hwe yeso ye fe ne say
e hwe yeso
yeah
Ghana obi a hwe obi so obi hwe obi so wo Ghana kroma.
You be a concrete road. On 1 kilometer of concrete road in this country. Muga said you get a boom my own. Shamrantian in Maba when in them Ghana. I saw you're useless. That's why you're useless. Oh, our brains. But with him, a bad, poor leadership. Everything under this sun is leadership. The rest are just effects. And you don't need to have a PhD before you can understand. So everything under the sun is leadership. You know what I'm saying? I mean, and am I a basa? And I'll call on Dr. Bawumia because you are the head of the economic management team according to the constitution of this country. And na papa bi frɛ me adɛn na meka sɛ yɛse na mahama bɔn na baamyɛ yɛ bɔm na nka menka ne sɛ mewɔ tentente kora hɔ anka mɛka kyerɛ mmɔ ɛno yɛ herbɔmbɔn. What are you telling me? A common den form, and you want us to keep quiet? Yes, kwaku timbe tramika, ntibenya sika to aduane adi.
Nim say wo omampanyi na Akufo-Addo.
Menim. Nya dia me oga me menim kwa bo say omampanyi wo Ghana kroma. Bi say Akufo-Addo. Ano kwasa na luka cho. E bi apisi papa e bi aso no de onim obi sawe de.
It is unim say wo omampanyi e friend na Akufo-Addo. Enti okay omampanyi o hwe yeso ye friend say.
E hwe yeso.
Yeah.
Ghana obi ahwe obi so. Obi hwe obi so wo Ghana kroma.
Straight up, Obsia, Madam Munasi, na Machacha Munina, Majidis will be biara, and we Musum for fire near channel of Abasui, Helen at TV, and Tino Sawaha, not Abomodina, not watch a video, no Amame. Medase, any dear when you're at Diamame, Nebra, Waji, at Diamame. Menim says I'm a baby, what dumum, baby, I would dumum, but Maji Bressa Mubetiame. I really appreciate that, and I really appreciate that. Madam, I say, Papa. I will do any Amofama when you're at the time. Until my member Nipa or more has said anything. So, Wahana will share me. I just comment your name where you are watching me from so that I can acknowledge you all. Madam Munina say, Intino, Eben Kwame, number one. When I buy first, into Eben Kwame, and when I number one. Eben, Director, thank you very much for joining me. Number who say, Charles Sapon, Director, Mr. Charles, CEO of the Royal Crew Entertainment, Ohio, Cincinnati, United States of America. Director, greetings with us, Abuja. Yeah, Papa, as I say, boy, a chidom, oh, you may dear Yedimu, and you know, Mr. Mose, Mobile Modena, more patronage, Minkan say, more patronize, you may dear Odino. Oh, United States of America, USC, Cincinnati, Ohio, Jumedi Odano, our CEO, the Royal Crew Entertainment, Jumedi Omudi Advertising Agency. Business, about business, wedding, funeral, outdooring, church functions, BBR, just consult them and they will serve you right. Until or more information. I think it's a number, no, and so I have my member number, and I remember number, and I'm over to me for pen, or try to in case, Ope say, almost service Nibia. On my number, no, down 513-410-891. 6. That is their number. Until you to me, I pick your number and I will reach you. That is the Royal Crew Entertainment. Thank you very much for your support. On I saw you saying, boy, a chido motayechi. Yakonia Bamia, the Jumania better. Penifoso can say 2 way net, enough for the Timetro. Until Madame Sena, Master of the Mancoman Quatentia with you, Mamma. Oh, at power for the freedom fighters on Madame say. Meko, the second one, and the also Princess. Lady Bless Brown, Princess, thank you very much for joining me. Mohammed received Jalo. Mohammed, thank you very much for joining me. Round TV GH, Round TV, thank you very much for joining me. Anthony Brown, thank you very much for joining me. Fredo, greetings, bro. Director, thank you very much for joining me. Nana Kwesi Opokuware, Nana Kwesi, thank you very much for joining me. William Sunday, Director, thank you very much for joining me. And then Ahmed Farah, and so Director, thank you very much for joining me. That's Ahmed Farah. And then Dina Brown, Dina, my dear, I hope you are doing well. Thank you very much for joining me as well. And then Ernesto Pare, I see you. Thank you very much. Share the video for me. And then Ernestine Crying, Director, thank you very much for joining me. I say much love from Canada, bro. Keep it up. Thank you very much for joining me. More support to offer you, Madam Munina. More tie hell more support to make time matching in Madam Munina. Mammy acknowledging the power I say Kakanga crap. Now, Mammy, Nanaya Collins, watching from Springtest. Nanaya, thank you very much for joining me. Benjamin Kobina, Benjamin, thank you very much for watching me. Opari, Ernest Opari, watching you live from Alaju, thank you very much. Ziljomo, watching you live from UK. Hey, Ziljomo, 91 kram. One Openi Ziljomo, 91 kram. I don't know, Baba show bag, me, Adawa, Kwabuchira, Ober Cramino. I know himself from a force on a cram, and all cramina me will feel on quite there. One way I will bag a cram with them when him brown was a number. What I see, because Massa, a clone has him. I can't kill myself anymore. One branch now will dim the Kadru airport set for Kwabuchino, Unkura passport, and so your man a crime and call. Wouldn't a better crading in a bed airport will be. Because you need passport. What is passport? No, I'm a lot of fair. And till me through plane and me do baby, me do UK and Mama Paulo, this kind of messy. Me do Amsterdam and Mama Paulo, this kind of messy. Baby, me do be a pilot, Usikani, Gina Missy, passport is same baby. Master, we can't kill ourselves in this country. And it is the job of walk on when himself met that tallow bag with the Huntino. One criminality from to see how do you can find I tell me what do you keep. Hey, only penny. When himself met already now. Oh dear, mammy, what the wow, so far which the bar, oh, quiet and from a phone to the cattle of I didn't go. The moon, so, oh, mammy, who said, oh, quiet, oh, bag one have one with the bag, baby. Me pa bread. Shall you remember what is here? Benjamin Kobina, director, thank you very much. All the way from Israel. Oh, Ghana for more Israel, so, men kind of simple. Pamchomunya here, why? Because it's Israel, Yameno, meaning your Musisia, and Timin Casena, maybe, and Momo by the Momo Casamonia careful, Namoso Musi, why? That's how I was a Moyano. And Nana Kwesi Upokuari, was today watching from Georgia. Okay, Mati. Wahab Muhammad, my name is Wahab Muhammad. I'm watching you live from Italy. Wahab Muhammad, thank you very much for joining me all the way from Italy. And I'm going to say Tyrone Season, so I'll fire. Where is my machete? Machete no machete no say Kainana. Penny for that to me for some moment time for my life. Yes, sir. They be creative fear and panicking. They be and today Abigail Borm, Abigail, all the way from Germany. Abigail, thank you very much for joining me. Kolambik Moses, I see you. And Akwasi Rabbis, I say, where is our snap? The snap is also there. Everything a double. It day one corner. Dada MJ, I say watching live from Tema. Dada MJ, I see you. Raskotoka is here. Raskotoka, I see you. Prince AJ Echampo, I see you. Abeku Benjamin, I see you. Eben Kwame, I say Asemu. Eben Ajezu. I feel so. Clifford Yali, I say hi. Kobe Insia, thank you very much, Kobe. And then oh, this here now. And then Frederick Kwame, oh, I don't know the equal this here, sir. Sir, do my dear Minasha say, Crown, I didn't know, this here, Okoloi. Menkolo, answer. Minasha, do my dear Nasha Crown, Okolo. Frederick Kwame from Pont Junior, Mahusa also, Raskotokawa, and Christian Doku, and so I was watching live from UK. Okay, I think so more have for now. No. Moment said the media na sent 10 na trust. Abusia anumre we anopa baby biara will be am ba won channel nya bone komo bi na e pese me no bo kakra. Dina Brown was live from UK. Dina, thank you very much for your support. I prepare my say me ba live I also support for your power. Thank you very much for your support. But UK for nyina am nche ohima Queen Elizabeth. Me ka say me se kianeke me ma UK me move last as so da. Your countries be on more. My menensi wa ni nguda enya mese bo enti chi ahema ma me wa mo UK gina shout out Tyrone Caesar mahu Fredo mahu abusia o man we ai wo mu no hu nipa bi pese o mo kan kasa bo ahye yem enti ya ma eni anya dina o mbe kan kasa bo anto ahye yem na mom ye nye din ye kan ya no suntum o mo ye den ye be kasa until fake the nation demonstration ebeba so na hoze na mo so join this year na hoze thank you very much for joining me. Fix the nation demonstration no ebeba so no matter how it is omo pa omo kofa akaida for soldiers for nyina amra omo be wie sa da ne nyina ne emu so omo wie na se bibia trotwa ene emu anye tan aso ante anya asem. Share the video for me right now. Ene emu anye tan aso ante anya asem omo be wie and fix the nation demonstration no kian ne ke ebeba so so if persuasion fees first must trash mo kan say and amakan won tia say guy mensa kan papa bi opani bi dwuma bi a wadi opani bi adi dwuma bi waye pani wo man yi mu wadi dwuma bi na mepese dwuma na wadi no meyi a kire mu na mewie a mo de mo nhwe video no mo hwe wie a meka ho asem bi a kire mu. Do you know ade ba kwa magana ya ka kire besi na the illiteracy rate, the high level of illiteracy rates, those that are not that are not educated, the illiterate in among Ghanaians, no, omuna man we yebre because omuna politicians, no, atete omachi, edu omuye dirty works. Send me offer me pia bonting, na me nama bonting, na me ye video, na me ye video. Me sure say educated person be able be premium because I know say there is no educated person what go school nim nyansa onim di otie masema meka e ma ne to so mbebo me nko meshutu mbebo be kumida. There is no educated person what go school nim akenkan won tia say wa adwini ma na adwini mu da ho educated criminal enya educated bigot educated wise person what tie masema e ma 1 million say di kokun abranche obekoda eyo mo man ko school ti bon koso for na an ko school no wo ma sa jimi aka ho no wo mo ne be mo musika ma be pra wa kunkwa. That is why some of us ye pom modin ase be try say be boy ye ho ban na me yi video be kire obi wo re be ho enti men ko ba bia na mom share video no na obi embetie bi all ens August ma so wo ha owusu Martin ma so wo ha Princess Lady Bless Brown ma so wo ha share video na ma me na yen ko hwe video na mra ye ko hwe video na ba na me kasem bi akire wo thank you very much yen ko hwe video na mra sisi ya why me da se pass wa jibre yen ko hwe video na mra sisi ya
nim say wo omampanyi na Akufo-Addo
menim nya dia me oga me menim ka bo say omampanyi wo Ghana kroma bi say Akufo-Addo no pass na ka che e bi apisi papa e bi aso no de oni mo bi sa we de me ji di.
It is nim say wo omampanyi ye friend na Akufo-Addo enti okay omampanyi o hwe ye so ye friend say
e hwe ye so
yeah
Ghana obi a hwe obi so obi so wo Ghana kroma.
From February 2020, Yakawa Sama Obia Nimsa Vididi Agro. And maybe a Danaba Agroni Yaha Minano said Moma Masobaha, Nampa Inform was some Yamutia. I admit that you know a Yako RCC. Now, Moya Samun fees what Yawaha Kusa Diabetes. The pastor I bet you to us, China. A freedom fighter movement near no fear, no favor. Mayor Assembly member elect, I'm not an appointed member. And I represent my people, not less than 17,000 people. And this is not the first time I'm representing my people, as you people know. I'm going to represent them in the year 2024, God willing. Because I'm for the people and my people are for me. Though I come planning for Yawa said, Sikadie are moving assembly hano, and no one 17 Yawa Mudi Sikapa Sapasa. 10 year Moyan Hani Daya Mosi almost 22 billion. Now, assembly a class of 1 more. You can't die with man 22 billion. Say, Yamuma Missika, Mobetana. The question again. Die way, any payment in Amoyana, almost 22 billion. Nasa, Mukaya guy, if you're not here, we'll stop. If you're not here, we'll stop. You think I'm presenting the resolution? I'm addressing you. And this letter is addressed to the president, not you. If you go, we'll stop and we'll play the music. This is the resolution, and I need to read it to your hearing. Dear Kasupino, Assembly Director, Eddie Budozana, Matona Fano, Monka Famra, is settled here. The other video, Zoom Lion for money on my wife. Moshi Bola. Bola, as I was about 21 containers every day at the cost. Then some money on my aqua. Mulia Pansika, Namubisi, a dining hotel, you know, 1 year. Zoom Lion, a company. Zoom Lion, or Yasambri. It is also Bola announced, I'm not still a moot Yanaka. Maybe to use a Yansani. Assembly junior staff workers, Amu Yusu la Trepan. Amu Nigu Bakatimu, no Masesa, no Mapejaswa, no Mako Hiagu. And you have the guts to go in for this payment Renkwa Babi Amudia Boyagu 5.7 billion. Sayama Mekuma, Kambaka told your payment with 5.7 billion. No, it doesn't make sense. Street lighting system. You are taxing the police to perform their duty, and they are to protect us. And the street lights that we have engineers, we have electricians, all the lights are out. And yesterday we pay for electricity and street light levy. What is the sense in this? What is the sense in this? Once the lights are out, the electricians are in, and still we pay for electricity levy. It doesn't make sense. Okotan planning ha. Babia yama permit. Na modi abuloko akwanyina. Na moji sikanu mukoto. Na maka munfi. For the Abuja who shall be the scapper, no matter this year. Go and pay. Obigita scapper, no matter this year. Namu de Mamu who setting allowance, Namu this cano. Musi Hotel. Namu see a guest house. Namu this cano, Toka, and Mamu Bravo. Naya a breath. Abaya said at the works and housing. Planning officer. Municipal engineer, administrator and administrative officer. Mateti asaseno, moton na momafa, na maswe mama, etiani na moton. And I repeat, na maswe mama, eton na momoche. Nini na anu tafani? Within the next 2 weeks, Saba 3 point now, our junior staff got a phone. Mukari la 3 point in free off. Now, do my Libyan war was a or what you fear no Pejaswa. Now, the mark has some over you. Now, we are MCU, your coordinating director. What you want to water to so now flash it. Now, a proper DSS was one name and Papa Bini, no, I could react to the Supreme Court has abolished it, and the Assembly should abolish it as a matter of ethics. Setting allowance, Yamukia more than now to be a more costing allowance. Now, but we are some in your program 1.5, 2 million. Now, costing allowance back up 1.1, now to be a more premium, son. Munyai, no more problem, no more musicality, no more sombra. Also, Osi Cass now Mukwa Modifan. Moma Samasama Squawka Libi. The Ghana Police Service that is protecting life and property. Hello? Hey, put on the mic.
Fasim. Hey, DJ. Fasim. Hello.
Yeah, it is back. If you stop it, we stop it. No intimidation, no formation. One day born, one day die. Okama contract is full way 5.7 billion. No more money for VMOT. No, yeah, bill, no, yeah, Rose, bring her. Upper Rose, director. Oh, yeah, pavement where, yeah, and high. 47 billion. Mutia, pavement where, what I enjoy. 47 billion. Now, my mentor, and another for your offer. Cabo Rias Sicano, Saudi year pavement, 47 billion. Now, what do I have for any good back at me? No, my pedas one. Motor grader, bulldozer, I'm a more. Now, what do you contract and I'm offer? Now, I'm more, you will look of kind bulldozer, any grader. Yancy room, anything. And you know, as matter of agency, the administrative officer within a period of 2 months should locate. The town planning officer within a period of 2 months should also relocate. The revenue officer of the Senior Municipal Assembly should also relocate. The city gas. The work of the city guard is to direct traffic and protect pedestrians. The city guard has no right whatsoever to arrest and fine anyone and put the money in their pockets. It is against the standing order and it is against the constitution of the land. Contractor now, oil bridge no. Obia who says you need the regional capital. That bridge where they come here, you know. A grant for more from her. Some of them free access. Now, I can't, Dabi. Never see Kadia, Muchebi. To end long story short, some lion contract with the assembly should be abrogated with immediate effect. But this is too long. Hello? Yo, maman pour la bio. Mais c'était. Je suis venu à ma machine. Ça, c'est ma autre machine. Mais c'est tellement chaud.
So now, when there is a please. Have you seen it? I just don't want him to think that. I just don't want you for you to give it. No, let's finish representing. So no. Let them put the machine on representing.
Bravo.
Hey, Massa. Eh? Minimum power. Who am I? Okay, so much. She knew on my oh, what's up for us? I'm going to on the jammy. Nanka the old year, Nanka, what about me? Pack. Nanka, I saw it. And you talk about me, you see, I'll steal you, you can't pay. Who are pressing the back? Who are pressing that? Who yes, I do. Who are pressing? Who needs to Kurafuna make an OTS and Calbetias here. She knew on my message. Massa, Pacho, Munjay. Say, I know, a party, and I got my stage now. We are to present it. You know how machine, Massa. You see, my so machine, you do Yammy. Check. What the moment for come on, baby?
Honorable,
come on, not go, baby. Machine way.
Honorable,
check. I'm not going to say, why you go? Machine while you come some yellow. You see, I am the moment why. That's all. Well, we are going to be so much. If I put your machine at that I know I say on Kwana Bema or Kruma. Must have been sent to Kwana.
Now, Ebra MPP Kasa Yantu Abamano. And you fixing the country in Tinobai. Whoever is against face the country is stupid. Whoever will speak against fixing Ghana is an animal. We are a boa. We are kwasia. We are against fix the economy, fix the country, you know. So your man pegini, so your minister, so your wine, so your musician, so your wine, so we are.
Say you walk on Mampeni, Nana Akufuado.
Menim. Dia me oga me menu ka bo say o ma pani wo Ghana kroma bi say akufado no pass na look at you e bi apisi papa e bi aso no de oni mo bi sawe de me ji di. It is
unnim say o Mampenya ye friend Nana Akufuado. Okay, o Mampenya o hwe ye so ye friend say
e hwe ye so
yeah
Ghana obi ahwe obi so obi hwe obi so wo Ghana kroma.
Abusia video no na yakwohwe aba no na mewura ho papa mewura ho bibisa me ho senti o man we nti ebeye yeni Sunyani assembly si Sunyani municipal assembly and Where me ka sama chiro sa assemblyman we awon yes ade we won e wo se ye kwhwehwe no na ye bona baso na ye ma lead as freedom fighters in Sunyani because enye Sunyani kwa na we koso hey all the assemblies in this country all the assemblies in this country with the dream die de ketasehye sika wo mu die especially COVID-19 yi ba ye kura sika aban ne di abre assemblies no dia wo mu di sika no konongo asante achem assemblies edi baby assembly bia de wo Ghana assembly bia di baby na assembly man for no wo do busu akro bo ase okra wo no ndudam etimpani for no na every sika no coordinators ahodo ne MCs ne DCs ne MPs no wo nyina ye one ana wo sika no na okoka sei pe ube fa ho tan ama assembly mu ho no wani nka na sa assembly ma we minima dia aka na mananya kokodu aka say no I won't keep quiet into obey one man demonstration and wako high speakers e dey begina in front of the assembly and all more and all more facts wa insem go de ekoso and me nua type no o say this building has been there for 50 years no renovation what building be na one chen one and also almost you some renovate you budget that so yes 120 billion say 12 billion and work say wo ma mento money say koton fa be say adwuma na oba koton sa sika no o papa botom sika ne say fa renovate oba renovate ye ne ketua bi na budget ne kakra ne agisika no ne yeti and work can Zoom lion so de no enye omunko o enye Sunyani municipal nko o eye all the municipals in Ghana Zoom Lion, any state government, any state agency, and any state company, make us a match. Zoom Lion, any state company, a private company, no more money are buying up into agreement. A wasika are buying it more, any almost service and so was in every district, every municipal, every community. Omunya Jumano, and a sika buying it more, still buying Busutia. And MCs ni bini DCs ni bini coordinators ni bini omanye one and omo chase kan di pasa and emura ye kromu ma akra na mo ameno kasa yo akra na mo ameno kasa na me bia akra bontia o me kra be se me find the capital town of this jungle la capital won say jungle bi o capital won fom be dem akacha fom be bi o capital da iti ha fom capital bi ani ha me ba insho kra wa ifa me ba a form has a capital, a form being one capital woman, a form your capital baby. A form amount of form higher way there. I had the capital of the form, a form of it's if you know where will be a flat. You Ghana in the capital town. Make us a match now. Ghana in the capital town. Ghana in the capital town. Oh, damn. Me, I can't away. And then Mamma Conanam Kunkakra. Now, Urabeho capital city. And then I Rwanda so omo capital Kigali influence was the capital day and the whole greater capital city. Wo dem pie krum, mi ti me pie krum, and dem pie krum atwa krum achiro akra krum achiro. Na e me peni for me di jabi begu mo so na dem pie krum. Omo hu ba bia me nam sisi ya wala. Wo dem so me ba. Kwasi asamo koso assembly ho. Peni for riska. Na assembly man se wo nya din. Obekasa won dey say ya oh na we say na esa na aso akwese ya cassette a particular tribe but enye sanso be kom na ya dago nko school ya dago ntebofo na branch ni gina ho kanase ana mini MP na of director chief in charge afra ya dago akachi ya dago say ya stop dia kwa ne ya stop enko baby ya stop dia kwa ne ana ya dago aye na beti kintan ana ya dago abegina honom e ka cha branches onya kasa enti in this country no the illiterates are those that are being used to capitalize the people no baba ka se ma chiro MCs ni DCs omadwuma pa no ye omanwem this can be say no kwa we so be kan no kra you become a target ni asoma kwase pa ni bia ya dago wakra no ho so ba be adwuma ye meni be ya dago free e bia ya dago free Kuwait no aba ana wakra free Kuwait so ba be adwuma Ghana ya dago anko school nti papa da sem no gina ho ka no wonya abotre enyina ho ntie mu yie ye frɛ ema ya dago order kwana ko stop akwana do e de do kwana ko stop no enko ba bia ana ya dago di mirika na beti kenten aba be gina ho no eba be stop bibi wonte ase wonte de koso na se ne de ne se bosomi aso ne ye de 1000 Ghana man we ogina ho yese yokokom kana man na ka chakwe no 1000 Ghana na bosomi ye de 500 Ghana man no why na beti kenten ya dago be blue ya dago si munya ide mu ye no. You see the problem we have in this country. You see the problem we have in this country. Oh, mama go school no, enim de no. You saw mama go school no. Ana e de suppress ni power asase we so. E de suppress ni power asase we so. Enti party bia was ankwase ato no wa etachire. Party bia was ankwasiafo ne taachire a ya mama peda na de won say police ni gina so ntimi nya hwe me wo fa ya ane ye soma say police fo me fa me mra enka wo mu dimrika e de ka ho do beba abasa abrante no wifa wo kasa tia mpani fo yen kofa ne mra ye ne yesi e be demonstration mu dimrika akogu Independence Square say mu ma ye kwa me demonstration wo bi tajimi we mu na nam ho say pa ne chew kwasi ampani we a won go school we a eje se won go school adim nyansa we we de we jimi très bien o Saturday ra e honton se mole a ye de asha ye de be do kono tenachi aba be se onum se o makwan ma bibia nkoso ono wonim bibia ekoso wonim krono ekoso assembly nim wonim hwe de onim an se ne boss afre se ya dago kona ko break di akwa ne ye no nyasa abosumi wakatu awon sanka ya dago so wo ma ne eyire wo afie e wo se ya dago de na beti eko jimi on problem e wo ma we. Oh, you will maya police ni surrender obeti will be because order from above. It will police ni a sa kwa na ogina ho jimi ni kwa obe attack no no. Obe we tuma kwa beti mabo. Wo police ni a sa kwa ya dago na ogina ho na won table for na branch ele kana won table no. Wo police ni a be kwa so ni mu no oduma beti mi abo. Ade a politicians e dey wiki Ghana for ni. Obama system ni mo yetin adwuma mo yetin enti wonya ba bi hye kimpe you don't want to lose that place and for that matter no matter the situation say a order from above at the end of wo no one person ya wo ye no you have to do it because you have no option ya dagwa satade kenten ya dagwa wabeti wo de bebo me fire me ho ban na ma metimi fire penifo antikanye wo de wabeti gina assembly stop obi a o ye di taxpayers money ye wi man fosika omo ye project ketewa bi na tax ayi budget da project no so kakra na manfo be wa sika di o fa kumasi akra road so a filling station go road so ko bet 3 million e penifo ne dia ana wo mo chi petrol gum ana wo mo tu petrol no tam bi on pe bia e no ma sa tu petrol ama lorry fare koso enti penifo no mo ma we mu no wo mo na si filling stations na go kwan no ho twobom ana wo mo chi petrol no gum ana wo mo tu petrol no tam muda muni mo ayam se ni pe be yedi mo me yale anso nye no kwa na me ma me no na empese me kasa gidin ana se on pese me ja program kwa na me rest for some time but enya no ense bo ono ma ho me tia ho na de aye me no ya dago mo nya jimi no na mo frɛ fiefo ni fiefo kasa na mo starting cycle fiefo adwene na fiefo so hu se no enya me koso o ma we mu nye why se me be kana se wo hu na wo tia ebia wo maame ete kwankwan mi ase bia wo hwe me by this time ebia papa wo fo me bia wo hwe me by this time anumere fa phone na frɛ no wo amano ne a wo fi a fa phone na frɛ no na ne ntrase ne cheche nyemam che no na omunyai tribalism omunyai partisansam enkwasiasam ya beka no kwa kire mpani fa wo mawem enkwati ewe mara sisi a ne nto aso so mo ka se ni page mi wo mawem mo meba.
The problem with Africa is that those who have ideas have no power and those with power have no ideas. And that in many ways still informs. So you have all these ideas on how we can green Africa. I listen to you and I can see you are babbling with ideas, but you don't have the power. And the fellow with power has completely no ideas. And
yana yampani fo yi kuye na nado wona wo mayu mo ma mo mpari fo mo kuye Mama the sia no ye to me ma ye mamu the sia was one district one factory and I see office some company na wa America no ma bia bi o Liberia ma bia bi o Sierra Leone me am ye Ghana ni me be bia company wa ha na America ba ko ba na me be 400 million 380 million 150 million e be ye dan ma bia company no ada na mo de mo adwen ketenkete no mo de ku ya sa ada ministers another minister no that part ho no me nim de ntia na na de no kwato ho se o de na kwato ho se o ma boy kro no Ghana company for ade wo ma adwen boy kro no wo de wo ma adwen e ku ye eti ma ba se me be gya wa ma America for me be gya wa ma Europe for me be gya wa ma London for na ma kira na na do se wo mu ku ye me do port to airport last week and I made clearance e kira wo mu niam am dia ba me tua niam ai huduti wo ma for the free and no antin am buy e de be say amanfo nyina ate na se ye wo atemuo e wo ma yi mu ana na me fe je na de ene me cars na de wo ma fa ma me dia enom ye pa na beba kuro yi so because me ko brand mo jani ebi no mo ko fa Morocco wo mo ko tena eposo wo mo nyina awui nyame dia kwa kodu me say me ni aba wo London wo shepu ni ma ba ha eno so no bicycle keka wo de be cha asorefo e wo yakura ase yeso won tia 40 million na kuro ben ne wo mu Nigeria wo shepu sa passenger van ya me de ko Nigeria me de ba ye ya je 280 million wo de ko Nigeria e say ye commercial e ye free e be boa amai no wo de ko Togo ha ya e ye free na mpani for the Sabia Semko wo na se wo mako school e wo nimde samu ho normal plate e bubo ka ho a e ye Togo plate Nigeria plate ne ya beje undertaking e dia to so no eno na ye mambu papa ye fatuo na se ye akoba kro no a ne ye be kuni pa ansakora na ya gene japade ya mfatuo ya mfa ya akoba obi kro no ya nkase akoye adwuma ya nya ye sika atade ya de ba ye mama ye be du porta ya se ya je ade nam nana wona mpanifo edi ya wusa wo man mu mo ku ya wo man mu na me se me yi me ka mienu na de se si taxi na me team as a director of CEO of One Touch International USA all over America me the taxi never ha sana na do wo se de ya kan won tia wo won panifo me ne mo ma de o mu bu man no na mo disappoint ye na mo me niam na de me hia na ne kira ya afa de wo ma fa afreje no wo mo ma me mienu freje ngwachi wo ma me mienu ma twitwa ni nyina photo me twitwa du photo no custom ne say ha ye ntwa picture wa ha ena me se me bo wasu ye ntwa photo wa ha me ami product matisika na ato me buy me tia ho duty agenti na mo aye lock say aha nya America e ka me kire o say aye uchire wotumi etima se ma me de ba ya no
nim say wo omampanyi na na akufu ado
menim nya dia me oga me nim ka bo say omampanyi wo Ghana kroma bi say akufu ado no kwasa na me ka e bi apisi papa e bi aso no de oni mo bi sa we de
it is unim say wo mampanyi ye fe na na akufu ado enti okay omampanyi o hwe ye so ye fe ne
say so
yeah
Ghana obi a hwe obi so wo Ghana kroma.
The problem with Africa is that those who have ideas have no power and those with power have no ideas. And that in many ways still informs. So you have all these ideas on how we can green Africa. I listen to you and I can see you are babbling with ideas, but you don't have the power. And the fellow with power has completely no ideas. And
the problem in Africa is that Jeffrey Afojobapa, you are welcome. The problem in Africa is that those who have the ideas don't have power, and those who have the power have absolutely no idea. Within the weeks, there was a news popping up on social media. Said one man be in the States, in the United States, and there may be a phone lines in 2% of Friday. And there may be a phone lines. One man be in the United States, when you had the opportunity to take along plenty hospital beds free, empire wa ayare sabian pa nipa beda so free. On fanko on fa free on fanko ne mai mu baby ode ko bi on fanko. Ano se obi free Ghana. Me ye Ghana ni. Ade paso wo fi oye, obi aso no chief asem pa kodo. Sabi won so mo nya ban kwa na beti na ye nso emu beti na boa. Won so mo ni nipa. Se sa na tie na se mo dia kwa na we ama me dia. Ene me de hospital beds ni nyina be ko me man Ghana. Na nipa ededa from anya bi so ada. Na nipa eni baby papa da. Na nipa eda hospital enso to ana enwunu ko mo so. Wo munya papa so na enkola ye wo mo go de mo go plastic chem. Enkola ye wo mo de mo go from hospital sa nya papa. Na me nso me de akọ. Na me man for so nya hospital papa so ada. Enka ne boni ne sen. Papa yi nya abroni de che papa no. Ah, broni abrofo de che papa no. Also, eni me hye po akọ man. Wo ye enkwari check ya. Wono de se ono ne empa ne ba no. Empa ba ku bia no. Obetua go duty. I think say 7 million, say 40 million. Who duty empa ba ku bia o. Tabi openi fo okro wem. Ana branch ene ka. O se Ghana hobi a penny okro wem. Ghana ha penny du okro wem. Empa na wo de ba be che enye so de be any personal business o. This is why I may say, oh, I'm going to person baby business or Ghana, Krana, and Mark Jai. No more Buchina, one person baby business or Ghana. Munyai, African countries now. Opportunities for one Mufanko. Munyai, businessmen are more Buchi. Munyai, more business or give the Ghana happy. Munyai. On an young free, the buffet about the sum of mine. And you said I was still hospital. And what did you go my any personal business would there be? Or the better mine. At the Minister of Health. I was so kind of dear in the moon, a dear in the moon, Tam Dimrica, a whoop upon and Tam, a threat, Namutimini free. Namosadana say, what you duty in Papa could be out for 10 million. I don't say, huh? Pablo Tano, I mean, I'm a democracy. Now me call one Zam Wakuta. Now me say my name Kabima. Me Peto Sokao. Anna, or send them a Nigeria for, and a Nigeria for you in free port. Why would you me a grow with Yajimi? And a Nigeria for you in free port. Nigeria, what's your commercial car at the Kohonoma, a free port? Why? Because at least a besevo as public transport. A buying to me and ye, and she said, Emma state transport. I said, Oko other African countries, Tanzania, Oko, how do you call it? Germany, European countries now. Your state transport system, I want no man. Abani ni bisa it's individuals na to cast taxes nya jade eno na me mama mama gina ma thank you very much na me mama o say in Ghana here you betimi ama Apostle Kodosafo enkoa aye the sole producer of cars, commercial cars in this country, and whereby am person mo increase duties at the port no. And you say, Obi Beka say, I don't want Apostle Kodosafo's car, and for that matter, I want to import my car outside from outside. So I said, yeah, and the number tax and our duty no, akosro. Tia some na make no. They already na open. Penny be any crowim. Omo nyina educated criminals and educated illiterate and educated broncos. Ubetimi ama Apostle Kodosafo nko the sole right. Say onye cars, commercial cars, say taxi, say Uber, say trotro onye. Oya, eno be state oyi. Eno kra no, wo ye Ghana ni a, wo de documents, o papers kwa, wo beti menya car ne bi, na wo de ye adwuma, na wo tua, e wo Apostle Kodosafo no campaign nim. Na obi bi in other regions across the country. Ni enya one unified transport system. cars no kura betima to be din yankase yakasam car we your friend no Amponsua car we your friend no Kumaduro car we your friend no Afia car we your friend no Adwa na ka yenso ya proud of our culture na ka yenso ya de dabi o eti se mutimi me mama free idea so musi mo jimi munya nyasasam mama free idea uma protocol Joseph nko aye sa cars we as state transport na tete tax so mano mani bi all regions are youth no mo ye interest in riding commercial cars no bebre benya adwuma ye one bebre into engineering e benya adwuma ye because factory ye manufacture cars ye ties ye ade factories bebre benya adwuma ye den aye. Are you listening to me? Have you shared the video? Bebre benya adwuma ye omo mo go school into science and technology no enquire fine y fine s fine w de bia waya ira de bia zeta ira meba e wa ha mami nchiro
ye bridge na se ekofa China ni na be dia na ne school no university na omko akoye dan na mse jimi nkwa o ombesua kwa fa so ye no man da bi de bia na Archimedes principle ai simultaneous equation find the bia waya ira find coefficient of y, make y the subject. Find x. The bia x ira. The bia x ni y no mo hwehwe no school mo. Mesu so mo gu a kire mo. Unim say wo omampanyi na Akufo-Addo.
Menim. Nya dia me oga me ni kwa bo say omampanyi wo Ghana kroma. Bi say Akufo-Addo. Ano pa say na ga che. E bi apisi papa e bi aso no de oni mo bi say we de.
It is unim say wo omampanyi e friend na Akufo-Addo. Okay, omampanyi o hwe yeso ye friend say.
E hwe yeso.
Yeah.
Ghana obi a hwe obi so. Obi hwe obi so wo Ghana kroma.
The BR find coefficient of Asumesi, find coefficient of Obente, find the coefficient of Noswa, and quasi education system, one team of former say. Now, these people they don't deserve to be called leaders and go for many leaders. And me say them see Kroma home. One right from the family go to me. Suffer them a bad flash staff fashion. I said, on my penny like a Sonia Cabos and would have been in the year on my eating commodity. No, we knew what him or Johnny sort of send me to no mine. What is me banana part was acquired by them and Pepper before Johnny and Caff. And I'm going to flash fast no. And we have information my penny. I mean, so what I call it. And then me pay room. Where? O man apostle Joseph go bet to my baby. Factories so baby na ye cars no Ghana made in Ghana cars. Near the big other African countries. No mine in Yahusika. We catch a match them. No mine in Yahusika. The only whereby import and more the carnival and now person cracker free outside the back counter. Baby, I was saying the boy dini whereby ubekase media membe Ghana car. The person me cram media ba. A hono na more increase duty no na ne boy day ayete. I realize say Tanzania mampenia uye Magufuli na obande a lot of any more outside the back plastics ne man obande a lot of furnitures near the obande. It is a wose chinchina open the flap outside the bar. I duty was so into a majority of them where they will purchase from what the country is what producing. What chimina minimum mono, Messa de Marco school. And remember a lot of people will purchase from what we are producing in the country. Now Masikano Aka or Mainimu, the piano only dollar rate, $1 dollar so. The consumption of equity is leading to the rate of the dollar is the one when in Kwasiam of Fusa, Wasam, na Akogu, Debbie, and Tissa, Intina Sikano Eka or Mining. Na empo a whole of Afonso air banner, Monia Mane, your Macono, no more but Tonesica air, the air bomb mining. Yet, dear Debbie, the Pia, ye man said, ye, Sikane out. Equa crown, Modiaba, ye cran tosuba, ye crania doba, toilet ruba, diapers ba. Pampers ba, nose mask ba, COVID-19 droba, Jimmy say ya. And I'm nobody is honorable in this country. Nobody is honorable. Some question, some title, Jimmy title, no, and will be a fan for a penny of Yabi, a form happy, nobody is honorable in this country. We are Mitisi Kuma home. Nkasa beto do yo obi anya wona bu kro we won edebebo wona edebebo edebebo ya tete ase ama waka Apostle Joseph wase nkasa mba kwetram Apostle Joseph ye car even in Ghana akura na. Do you know the amount he pay on one car? Ye ka kire o ye mbehyew Apostle Joseph ye car wa. Do you know one amount tax aban me geno from one car oye? Ana mama kwa akofa se DW se Volkswagen se won wani ama kwa so omumra panifo nim nyansa wo krowi oma pani be nim nyansa wo mawi me na meka me se pani be nim nyansa wo mawi fira hemfo so kosi MP so kosi DC so Chief Justice parliamentarians munyina machimi obi anim nyansa ka se wachira mo because common sense me na me san kan kira mo me na me san ka common sense we nkira mo kwan ya yemfa so ai o man ni be nyesika eni o man pani atwim mebo a okopa bosia o man pani kopa bosia omo kopa bosia na eya na eye brofo no mo de ewunu na bibi Ghana fo ede kata so France, Europe and Africa economic man when you wa ni tintin ti e we nyina so kopa bosia me kam wa le be na we omo jibi France man pani se mombra mo mede France man pani se mombra economic ede be say de be Africa mo free course economic kwa wani no ede mo free course economic meeting France man pani for European and pani for every starting invite mo ma me call e ma mo call Europe onum call economic kwa wani no mo so mo economic differences between them ama musika sema yeye wo boa enye economics wo mo kopa bosia ye kan no kran chira ne de brofo kakrakata so Europe and Africa Economic Summit wo mo boa wo mo kopeska meba mensu no class meba wo mo kopa bosia say economic kwahani akromfo meba be ka se mbi a chira mo. It's about time we all stand up, we all join our hands in face the country. And it's about time we have to revolute hardly. Because there is a system popping up. I have to tell you this system. Because I'm actually never see how the cancer system natural. Never. Mommy, team is one answer. Oh. System B popeba. System B popeba. I was saying be a system in natural. Now, I can say demonstration. I would Dimirika Soria for back Dimirika ba me akwa demonstration tem as actually nyama mu tem. Yes, I know it's not a system we enkoso en ye be wu. Come no me block me wona bibia church because any one yet time. Me wo. Because I can't live in this bush and give birth for my children to also come and suffer. Me ntimi enya sha. Mba. I mean, why you should not even feel why? Because I'm intimate advert and mom, or mom, and couple. Yeah, there is a particular system popping up. System name. Ya me ya o. Sa wicked 4 ADF. Ya me ya. Omo be koso adie so sa Ghana this atemuda. Me pa mo chew. Mo ka kire Palestinian for any Israel for say me pa mo chew fire me say. Wo mo nye mistake na one bomb ba kon fa. Missile no ba kon fa. Emfa Flagstaff House njem ho. Emfa parliament njem ho. Emfa chief kan mo nye mistake na one bomb fa say. Me pa mo chew. Wo Israel no. Mami hu sisi am dey for la to mami hu. Mo hu mami mo ka kire mami. Say me sere o mo a. Wo ma bomb no ba kon fa. Na mo bi wase ha say wo mu jimi do wo mu ne wase akura di yakobo eba na butte eba there is a system popping up and mami bi sa ki we nchire wo ya hweya Ghana ye bebre 24 ye bebre ye ntimi en develop ta. Do you know the system e ka se ma chire wo one education system was here one education system was here. Nobody from this education system can become a leader. They are all civil servants. They are all teachers, nurses, youth employment, national youth employment, NABCO, national service. Education system of Ghana is here, irrespective of university degree. Or degree quite one times will be our successful. One ni chela, bachelor say, su chela say, gachela. Muni na a civil servant education system and a Wagana. And penny follow would be a soon and no boy abroad. One woman this education system. Because I'm natural, one woman this education system. One woman outside. Not different set of education system. I'm doing the movie. Enti a baton race. Penin wobekwa neba. Ebeba beje baton no. Ye nyina papa, former speaker of parliament. I will mention few, but everybody never. Ye nyina papa, former speaker of parliament. Professor Makokoi. One is the last neba e contest one of Accra constituencies. Ewa hase meboa nebaba. Ye nyina president o man penin na bra Akufo-Addo. Ne papa and is open. O man penin John Dramani Mahama. Ne papa anya penny pen. Enti gradually o mo man e go school outside. Wo mo ginim de. Wo mo wia ye ne diska na gu hono ma mo man chena bi nti ne ba ne beba no wo sika ne papa bo bra gu ho ma no. E papa man penin Akufo-Addo papa bo bra gu ho ma no. Ano no so aba no so pri bia gu ho ma ne ma. Me cut the painful truth at you. Me say video no Jimmy. What da me ba? I can't crash it on. I can't crash it on. I can't crash it on. Enti wo mo so be wi eska ne bia gu honom. Ama wo mo ma no enti ne ba ne mra na wo gina ba bia wo gina. Oba ne ba ne mra na wo gina ba bia wo gina na wo say be yes amasa. Officer, director, no aba be du so, aba be MP, aba be minister, aba be BC, aba be president. Na me papa de na tena se dem aka chese o kwaku unim Ghana ko we mu yo mu hia ne mu boto yo mu hia ne 5 cities 10 cities 20 cities yo mu hia se be ka aka ma election na akwaye kwan no ayi sapeti ama ho eno anu no o mbe ye kokorodo eduobodo ye chimi enti me ka kire wo se yanhwe ye na yanya what an sori we mu so a they will give on the baton to their children. Minister BN1 the back of free SHS. MP BN1 the back of free SHS. DC BN1 the back of free SHS. And I'm not saying free SHS is not good, it's good. But at the end of it, no, at the end of the here, at the end product in the here. So we are moko now, and then moko na will be an in the here. The moko no bet in the action here. So we are entossed, and then toast need I would be a Canada for more than him. They at the end of the day, empty. Free SHS ni school na yeko no end product ni hia enye school na yeko gum to na trouble for kese enye no out of the school the ultimi ye Ghana school ye nkonkosua se ultimi ye bibi out of school no ye kokosua se wo school abesua se the application akwakopa adwuma na MP minister ne ba no eko school outside the country obeba back no na obaba pesika gu ama no obaba pesika gu ama no so a Sikan so e kom so ya na already na kopon. You ready? Ati mesrawo fa wo defend the country nim na demonstration enkoso na wo support to be a fa support ye mu binom ne enkoso bie Ghana fo ani na yen sori ne nyesa ochina nye me ka sama kira ochina nye. These people are not leaders. Nobody is honorable in this country. Nobody is honorable in this country. And these people are not leaders. They are a bunch of educated illiterates. They are criminals. Me, Mr. Jumawi, me ko jail pen. But I can't keep quiet and suffer. I have to. Muntie nyansani. Me baba nyansani bi voice akere mo muntie. Beba. Me baba nyansani bi voice akere mo. Openi Mr. Master thank you very much for joining me. Prosper officer for Mount also joining you. Loloba Mount Namoha. Maybe on nipa, maybe nipa, where leader, nipa, Yamway nipa, maybe nipa voice actually. Not what's in nipa no wasem. Now, what they compare China, you know, one from one abortion. No, what actually say, the battle is the Lord, and I said the battle is us. Tibla, why? TCC.
My job is to serve you, the people, because there is one point we politicians need to remember. It is that the people are our bosses. My job is to make your streets safer. And we're going to go in with another 20,000 police on the streets, and we start recruiting forthwith. My job is to make sure you don't have to wait 3 weeks to see your GP. And we start work this week with 20 new hospital upgrades and ensuring that the money for the NHS really does get to the front line. My job is to protect you or your parents or grandparents from the fear of having to sell your home to pay for the costs of care. And so I am announcing now on the steps of Downing Street that we will fix the crisis in social care once and for all with a clear plan we have prepared to give every older person the dignity and security they deserve. My job is to make sure your kids get a superb education wherever they are in the country, and that's why we have already announced that we're going to level up per pupil funding in primary and secondary schools. And that is the work that begins immediately behind that black door. And though I am today building a great team of men and women, I will take personal responsibility for the change I want to see. Never mind the backstop, the buck stops here.
The problem with Africa is that those who have ideas have no power, and those with power have no ideas. And that in many ways still informs. So you have all these ideas on how we can green Africa. I listen to you and I can see you are babbling with ideas, but you don't have the power. And the fellow with power has completely no ideas. And
Samuti, one in Nekasano. Samuti, Boris Johnson. Samuti, was it the body? Was it the battle of the Lord? Samuti, Boris Johnson, and no more MCCR. Did he say the battle is the Lord? Did he say face your attitude? UK people, face your attitude? Did he say that? Did he say the battle is the Lord? Did he say Nyamebeye? Did he say Ebefa? Did he say Namebetre? Did he say Yanumu Sonchen or Pebeye, the baby Befa, Sunkwan, baby, the one I saw? Did he say something like that? What did he say? My job. Ayaka. Was it my job? My job. Mine. My job is to make sure your parents are protected. Mine. This is an honorable person. And this is a leader. This is a human being. And this is God being. Well, this is a human being. Huh? Did he say Namebeye? Did he say Ebefa? He said, my job. Mine. It's about time African youth we have to stand up for what we deserve. We have to stand up for what we deserve. You don't even know, sir, it is the responsibility of the government to make sure you have a comfortable place to live. It is the responsibility of the government to make sure you are safe and protected. It is the responsibility of the government to make sure your life is, you are enjoying your life. It is the responsibility of the government. But the former say no, Yama Diana Quese, and Yakufado na said yes or Hesse or Muto, and Yakufado na said yes or also Hesse would have be pa, and Yakufado also Hesse, and I am Penny, and yet Mahama, and yet politician, and also Hesse will put them clean, and that politician also Hesse or light, or light your camera, and that politician also Hesse, also a flow camera, and ya say, no, former say, no, Yamanai, Yama Diana said. Yama Adiana I said, and your politician, and you must say, or no, never my matoy, name a emphasis attitude, most are more face to attitude, more traditional, more pampacho, more attitude, more face attitude. But I don't say, as I said, or this, I say, my job, my. The Biametaka send me said, Ubako other countries, you know, it is the responsibilities of the leaders over there. It is the responsibility of the leaders over there
to make sure the people are having a comfortable life. We go outside Europe, Asia, America, Canada. It is the responsibility of the leaders to make sure the people are having a comfortable life. Brafom has said, Bra downtown, Bragana. It is the responsibility of I and you to go and sell in the traffic. If you come and see people standing in sun, selling in traffic. Obi wa de na so ni nyina no kra no o ka sa won fa ni nyina mo na dis kan e sen kra enu 50 Ghana. Come and see people standing in sun. If you are no shit, many ma tika mu a ewia kakra bi kra branch ba aka ni mu no ma atwe ne ho o se driver bi e kon ne den why na ewia ne etata me mama ho hye no. People are standing in sun, broad day sun. People are standing in broad day sun, selling water, nose mask here by you. Yaria ba COVID aba aboche muton nose mask. Mona amafo de bi na muton. Yes, nose mask aboche te sa. Ye aboche sa nete o hono. COVID never ye no. Ghanaians are trying to survive by all means into COVID by nose mask and also adani aduma I be no more ye. Enti da COVID beko. Na ye beka say nose mask wearing is not relevant anymore. Obi aduma gu. Obi aduma gu because in every way a Ghanaian one and net to my surprise. Enya akra me ba ka minim. Say ene Ghana no ahon said you say empanifo kwati mi afele mortar e wo hwiba room nipa 2 ba ko nso si de kon ho na ba ko mortar e wo hwiba room na omo de na mfiafiem na omo e pai nti wa opese omo be paache oba bi ma no ya be paache na atu omo ka e adwuma. Somewhere else, it is the responsibility of the leaders to make sure the people are having a comfortable life. I always keep on saying, if every Ghanaian is being paid 20 Ghana every month, at the end of 18 years, now okura a capital of 4,200 Ghana cedis. That is rough calculation. This country don't take care of the citizens. Everything is la hustle. Yes, people selling in the sun. Obi detire obusuamiti aba mitinaba nti medibesi why obi detire a ode ton ade wa wia wenim no enu 50 Ghana mu enso na so maame na odi gina wianim nyina no wo kan bottles na wo pan nim na so na odi gina wianim nyina e 19 cedis na so na odi gina wianim no. And this I say what an essential channel, who can bomb and acquire 20 cedis, and a small digital vienna. Now, empty come, edges gracia, into light bay, into water bay, and top it to, and I'm nip and I'm free. Add the coat. Oh, dear, Mama, Yansu so, sa. Nay, did you almost sa? No more question, Jimmy, sir. Say Ghana, the best son. I always say, oh, baby, call. Oh, I went to Mkrana, my brother, you are not safe. Oh, yeah, my friend. You will be happy in your hometown, in your motherland. You will be happy more than where you are now, irrespective of the incentives over there. And if you are going to hear me, and no matter how it is, I will say, if you are, mammy, buy it, you know, Bagani. So when I saw what bridges I said, quiet dinner, unchi fie. Now umbre fie no na be asetena wo fie. I really respect some people on matna bridge pen. Enya ono no enjoyment na wo bɔ ne bra no na e ma na ni jiw. Ana se wo yo. Wo tika mu kura na wo hwe ha wa manfo bre alongside the street a na ne video kura ho. These are the people I love most on this earth. That are patriotic people. But look at the system we are living in here. Look at the system we are living in here. Boris Johnson, because I will say it is my job
to make sure you have good protection. It is my job to make sure your parents are protected. It is my job to make sure tie ayi so kan tie de Joe Biden so kan tie de Joe Biden so kan why tie de Joe Biden so kan me ba me de Joe Biden so kan ya kire wa se wa han kwana se mfiri so me ya kire why Joe Biden so ka se bi pese me kire why tie de Joe Biden so kan why tie wa nko ba bia wa tie de Joe Biden so kan tie we mu ni nipa no we mu ne from leaders no tie.
We need to start seeing infrastructure through its effect on the lives of working people in America. What is the foundation today that they need to carve out their place in the middle class, to make it, to live, to go to work, to raise their families with dignity, to ensure that good jobs will be there for their kids, no matter who they are or what zip code they live in? That's what infrastructure means in the 21st century. It still depends on roads and bridges, ports and airports, rail and mass transit. But it also depends on having reliable, high-speed internet in every home. Because today's high-speed internet is infrastructure.
What a Abusia, mitinaba. Tia me yapa, anya bete. Mommy be phone lines no why? Now so bra bechere wadwen why? Oba 1 minute no fire why? Be a phone lines nache. Nti mommy be phone lines no. Now so bra bechere wadwen why? Na yonko fa we mbrasi here why? Yonko tie we mbrasi here ya ba na ya ba fa phone lines why? Medamu nyina ase yonko tie we mbrasi here ya ba pe ya ba fa phone calls why? Yonko tie we mbrasi here.
You know, a lot of people wonder how Dubai became a very big, famous and rich city.
You see, if you're comparing with Nigeria, listen to this. Nigeria has oil before than Dubai. It's a history. They are more rich than us. They have agriculture, they have mining, they have everything, you name it, they have it. Am I right or wrong? When you have a true leadership, which we have nothing, but we have everything because we have the right leadership. That's the only thing you need, a right leader for your country, not corruption. That's what brings your country at the top. You don't need anything. We want water, we don't have agriculture, we don't have mining.
That's quite interesting.
And that's Sheikh Mohammed. Number one, he doesn't know number two, he needs only number one. He says, I don't know, there's no number two in my book. Only number one.
I hear he doesn't ride in a convoy. Is that true?
Meba Barkisu, my firstborn. Oko school by near homework. At what age was Abraham circumcised? Wow, share Abraham oko chane bema. Ghana economy. Him fan Abraham bema ebeso.
We still believe that Ghana knew Obia Papadia. So we don't care about the next generation. Ohine no ane na no moden saase agya no ene ohine ni nimnyan samboro sododo. Etu ono ankasa shela course atiesi mu 2 galamsey wone China fo 2 galamsey. E say ye cocoa nsase. E wa bere na me no kasa China for the first time omo export cocoa to Belgium.
The case. Abusia. I'm so beti ma frɛ why. Open so frɛ line na. Either say direct call and I say WhatsApp call and so beti my friend. Why? Things my activated phone lines and also beti my friend. Why? Obi business offer. Where can I get some of your T-shirt? Anyway, like I mean, imagine say my T-shirt. We may have tell me the me program, but along the line, we will need financial support. We will need financial support, and any day be at the Mabeka support. Nipa do say any support. Timo amo support no da mase ye ni so enti se ebreba na se be hia se be t-shirt na ya ton bi na enya ska de atimi afande edwuma di na e be mama so ate why abusia odi be ba free hello abusia also beti ma fra ba dwuma di no so why the number is activated, you can also call. Okay, abusia master.
Yes.
Makaba, who didn't be free?
Nanaji, my dear. Wakasa na yakasa yabekasa saa na ya na makoma ya meya obehwe de we Ghana for ye wo bi man so aye adwuma ade asa wo ye ba we ni beba ho so na we twa 12 hours minimum ba ni bi o mu twa 14 hours wo bi man so na wo hwe Ghana for ma pa mo ye 14 hours mi kra me ye be ma kra no mintumi na now, be a big Ghana catch yourself face your attitude. They say it is the greatest insult for someone to tell you to fix your attitude. Man, big man can't send you. Ghana for your Ghana, you too quite bridge. You could do one man when you fix your attitude automatically. Me that me blame crowd for South Africa. Me first time me be too quite crowd. But you so go be the H. But me could do one who say, hey, send your airport to the crowd. And from my ball, when they say, in Drabbe, beard, no so rough flop. It's automatically system is some attitude. And you'll be the back at you. It is so big at your system attitude. I insult. In the first place, it's a big attitude. I know what you would be at them. Some said, be one fixing attitude of Ghana and the road to crime. Who was system the back door. I am 2 ball and 2 pack. Because who that you were all going to form. And I are tropa or you be fine. Say a bar animal first, Arab country, a bar. Yes, your bar no cry by mentioning him, wishing him a crime. Wishing him not report to a police station. I bet you walk with Jane. Washing him to Camponia, so I can't. It's in Ghana for your throw your moon and where you any. What you here? It's a yamra and you're digital pioneer fixing your attitude. That's it. Now, open usual. I want a no. Some more. Because you're done now, renovated dine for 25. Again, Ghana, for the pay. You pay. And then, renovation, oh, again, it's a good one to me, or that's it. That one, no crown or passing you do machine. I guess a banana, action of grammar, or who are and also them for stopping the man from talking the truth, for saying the truth. Rafono cafe di ma na bo ko lo tapo di ne ka na ka so o ye bi no tutu ni ya ni to adani brother ma mi fo bua ma mi penti a mate ya ye bi dun ko me da se abusa odi ni baba free hello ya odi ni baba free odi ni baba free hello master how online so odi ni baba free yeah William I'm going to free Dubai. Yo, Abuja 40, 1 minute, man, come here. I'm free Dubai. I'm free. You're frozen. You remember what you money you found away. Now, me pacho, Ghana, the idea grow. But Dubai, my big. 4 years in no Dubai, and my who's system a year. A year, Papa. Mate, the system is working in Dubai, right? You may share me, crime in feature. I'm a double road to link. Accra capital, maybe satellite, no. Accra capital, be hey, Fina Accra capital, be and I'm a council. That's it. I'm in for Biswa. Yeah, we shall be free. Hello? Wow, friend, nobody enough for the why. I think that we went to mention so. Abusha, me patrol ban wine in TTM why. A lot of people are calling into ban wine in TTM. Now, we'll be sweating me with them why. Me that say why. More Ghana no. Mesremo. Munyabo terema me pharmacy here why. Abusha also beti me with them why. Accra nya capital biem my term. Accra nya capital biem. Ghana any capital ha. Ye nyina gum say chabam. Ye ni capital ha. I'm in for you, I say. Open you didn't be free.
Hello, Odi bebe akasa free.
Hello.
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 Ote menka. Odi ni bebe akasa free.
Baja me kasa free achiba nyinem.
Abusa 40 odi ndi say.
Baja from Ebenezer.
Abusa 40 Ebenezer.
Ba do na from Ali che.
Yo, Alex, Abusa 40 o.
Yes. Baja di ko pa na o kan pa. Na mi ta ti o pa.
Medasi.
Na Gana na e wo de ye pe fo na say o medi abro.
Di demonstration no be bi ho. So baba.
Meye pa. Me ba.
Achira boys na wo area ho nyina say e please the country demonstration.
You see be me no ka se bi ta si da ba o. Jare pa.
Mo.
Come nya 40 Ghana.
Mo.
Come nya 40 Ghana.
Mo. 40 Ghana e dey. 40 Ghana.
Ya ko ka o man ma se ma mo se FPC ho. Ya o mo ba fi so ma me no pa. Ata ba fi ti.
Medasi. Abusuan so beti ma frɛ why omo mo Ghana ne frɛ sa ama no ne fo ne ntumi nwuram ma me fa wi wa abusuan odi ne beba frɛ free abusuan odi ne beba frɛ free ma no akra wa abusuan
unu ya me se me frɛ South Africa frɛ me Kobe.
Oh, ma honest kakra ha. Etie South Africa etie.
Ya bua juma. Na Ghana for ndi empanim ho. Me se bedroom le bi no. Ye de sekai pa na beba Ghana ho. E betom le de sekai ni tuo. Ana beba Ghana. Kwasa nkwasi ade na empanim e ye no masa. Se utu kwan pa e wo South Africa ho. South Africa. But masa pa ha no na wo hwese de ha no system na tie na. Unu ya Ghana ye bi agoro. Na omo banso a omo do omo girlfriends esa ba ha no mo be seiska na ni yateta omo wa ha yateta omo no South Africa o beti ase de se ke hwebe minister ba ku tire
mo teta omo ho obi pie o no mo a mo nchino na mo bisa ne nsem chino sha as bi mu
omo do omo girlfriends ena ba ha no mo no ma ni ya bere me se mo beti mo de mo Ghana o mo beti
mate
beti ase de se ke ya panyini ba ku tire mo Ghana o mo ji me se mo no mo te Ghana o no mo di no
medase pa medase ami fa wi wa masa data pacho din be ba free
you frame me Nicholas me free Washington DC.
Yeah, Mr. Nicholas, medase boko there.
Bibia boko aja.
Abusa 40 Mr. Nicholas.
Adia chede.
Abusa 40.
They all say Akufo-Addo. Any onipa ma hu se wakotena abrocha wansua bibia. Na ne nyina ne firi se ne papa a build the foundation amanti ye de ne betu wanhu obre bia da. O de wo no hu obre. Ade e fe ne se struggling hu bi da. Onim adekode. Onim. Nti no bia on fa brabo mu da no. Ontimi mwa because obra hu ne se eye bibi kese ne nwanwa se obre.
Nokra.
I said that trap Robert Nasu, who are brave yada. It will bring one. What is struggling? Who knew I a big mistake. On who poverty that. I did poverty who be that. Didn't call up them quantity. London start from age of 6. I have to do what's that? What be the first I said? And Mama said, go crack. I said, why? The other talent that was who poverty that. Who poverty that be do so. The military said only the government are there more running. A Ponzi scheme governance no more. Now my mood a Ponzi scheme. Yes, that go New York, your friend Medoc. What would I say? Also obey a banking system. To put you for who's can be brave or for the question for the question. Ponzi scheme. It be like for all running. Running for the next 10 years. We collapse Ghana completely. Ponzi scheme. We need knowledge about governance. Or your lawyer. A lawyer man was my God and say a seniority. A party on a moment. I was a country. And Akufo-Addo knowledge about real country. He said, Judge, I talk with and this work is here. And some of which may you work. I just say akwa no mo yine free ho na ma pay opo ya fight for Ghana bebrebe ayi ameka yi super we hu akwa we very say Kennedy Japan o problem Ghana
we a problem o dey kasa
o big time problem we friend say kokone no say
anoma kokone ota nukura anoma kokone
Kennedy Japan onye bia Kennedy Japan was what travel cheda Mom said Ghana about 20 something years already. Sir, a parliamentarian. A dear part which my Ghana Americans are called with making Ghana. And you know, you know, I don't person or semi-crum MP. I am friend of Brian Temple. Also, person yes. The same thing also here. The same style be out by example also here. And you more personal properties. Na say oh ya more man more be what to do. Ni ho. No one of these guys can be no ya be sure say o be ko para for. You get what say baba no pass on to my point pass you know. We say this come back. Sa no you.
Medase.
Juma o ya no. O na me ko no bi mrabi.
Medase pa wakasa. Medase. Mami fa we wa ha. Masa odini bebe wakasa free.
Yeah, good morning.
Morning, Master. Patrick Frost.
Abiyam Dansuni.
Oh, okay. Apani that Abuja 40.
We dey me ma eduma den ni eduma pa o ye bo man Ghana.
That's it.
Na Ghana for you to know. I think say enough is enough. Yeah, too timid for too long. They be to say if you did social amenity, they be to say ensure electricity, road, hospital, and the schools. A no-go area for any government that obey failure. Failure, it means you are doomed, and you got to be kicked out. Ghana for you to know to a much me na yet obi electricity na onya light. It says on my way. Your problem with electricity na ye. Come how USA one. Whoever come do light for less than 3 hours. They have to just give you a reason. And a no-go area for every citizen. Some will better as more accept it. Some questions man pay for it. Every day we have a problem in electricity. Common water. You know, no citizens much to a more citizens much to a more the Bena citizen you be king. Inti be say ya mo man say na me ade ba kwa me di hu ya pa Sant Mine and especially Obwas Mine big up to your friend na shady matter say me contact me now me did the entire Obwas Mine Obwas yi bia wa to be me do we shame on you. Of what is citizens do you look at the way they are suffering? Yeah, you be coming together and then catch them before enough is not. That's where a demonstration about this Saturday in Basso. Say a Basso of Ghana or Washington, you need 100 more demonstration against these idiots. And any of us, we all should come together to support the national Dinin Crawford. To know that enough is enough. Are you not ashamed to see say what we might be so different and that's all will be about so me hand to go for century over 100 years. Now
oh banana that will be person on the bagana and so offense or the neighbor me you chrome near any war.
Shame on you, shame on any of Bossy leader be our shame on all the youth, shame on all the Bossy citizens. I didn't know Jimisa. It's here the Fatima Mope. Into Opa just a gun or not to Ghana, it's all your timid. It's about time. Any of Bossy youth citizen just really behind Nana Shady. Namu fight it. It's better to die a good death than to just say them idiot.
Thank you very much.
Enough is now.
That's it. Nana Jose, you'll be my last caller. Nana Jose will be my last caller. Nana Kajagu Mame.
Yeah, me cheche Obibia. I am at the Nyansenyi, all Kasa, or municipal, ne Benin, why in Nabetu Kuntai?
As your penny be a school, you near my
What you may need a Makala, in China, Makala. Not sudden. What could say, I could probably contain. What is Kenny a car? What's it? Hey,
MPP for Wabuchi. MPP for Wabuchi. Shame on you.
Shame on
MPP for Wabuchi. I'm a some pepper. Shame on MPP for Wabuchi. What's the sword? What Wagana will trace Kazana? What by the why is Zina or someone?
Odimikaza.
In pay for some puffo. It's me for MPP for Wabuchi. Abang puas semsi. Abang puas semsi kan naik zen. Ya ke kau sama mereka. Ya ke kau sama mereka dia shut up. Aku faham kau sakit. Na papa bezeman. Na papa bezeman ni aku sombo. Masa aku sombo osudodo. Nta aku sombo anye. The same thing ma baye. Also light ma prodo. Ni ya tani. Oni ya demi. The same thing aku faham. Ya ke kau sama mereka. Abang buat sama ni. Abang buat. Beti akamasa mi. Mpaya akamasa mi. Bebe miye. Ma Jewish one bebe miye chuma. Every year biya wo yimpa wo tugu. Last year me jumpa almost 500. Metina wo zina mo to kola Liberia.
What do you call Liberia? Last Ahmed Farah echa eyi matches bebrebe bi kire me matches bebrebe kire me
afọ kwenu krom in papi na waji na fridge wa airport yet nzama na bana waji fridge na waji yen nzama meka la 2008 malaba Ghana offer the immigration for no we mbagim that person ogum woman no jibi also to come naba. Look at this.
Wow.
What cheap person to come on? Yet in Ghana, MPP far from Kofibia. Why it's more than one co school? Step your one co school. No, why you're so wicked? No, what it's a Ghana for? What was a Mayanka? What can Mayanka? MPP chairman here. All the minimum I tell me, minimum. Okay, also that I didn't say demonstration. Na hina ya media offer them social media ya propaganda paying kwa campaign adam a television minimum ni yefuna etisi dem I'm in club papa danfo some aman kama nti asemi amaka hwe maka mamba Ghana bio
medase thank you very much abuja me fa frefo bia bi for thank you very much for joining me, Madam Masi. What I want you to know, say, mentena one corner. Now, and can say everything is okay. I think it will be free from Ghana. My mother said, hello?
Hello?
Data?
Yeah.
Hello? Hello, did you be free?
Yeah, Mr. Chief, I think for sure.
Obasho, Obasa Obajuma de Nusana.
Yeah,
I also. Manunko, Abusa Foti. Abusa Foti, Manunko.
Yeah, also, they were asking for super.
Okay.
Canadian Japan, the crew. Also, you tonight, this time, Abano. Most when catches, I did not. You're pretty for the station. Maybe I can't little Yamujika. But most of the people are going to share here. Some 6 stations of the Biamujiska, the Biamujiska, and then I'm here. And why a Namsuke answer even MC or answer or Kupanaso. The Pia or Bobra Pia Kumo. And now, hey, and you couldn't make me a gina. Now, he met Canada, we need a public to promo about 60 Kuni.
Tibebia Casac, Tibebia Casac, I
see for the Tiana chair. Also, I see for the chair.
Mammy can be Ghana penny for opening Medasi. Why, Medasi Pa, Medasi. Mammy can be Ghana penny for. So we are MP, we are minister. Now, I'm for sorry about Conano, the ball Prococo, I bet this car could be, I bet this car could talk to I bet this school fee squad. Oh, yeah, Rio. Besides, until when would they keep on coming? It is better you use that money to do something that will benefit everybody, even without your existence. And you can't tell me some amount for about how school fees until you are helping the nation. And can't tell me some amount for about how much of money until you are helping the nation. What but damn you are helping what? Are you going to live eternity? I'm sure why? Me the best here. Why? Me the friend for you me the best here. Why? Mo besa hu me kuro manche. Nti ma wonko ba bia. Mo nta mo chuku, mo besa hu me kuro manche. Me bo kra, me kaja gumu akra be na otwe ba ko ansa na mafiri ha. Nti no me bo jagum. Me bo jagum. Why? Nti don't worry. Mo keep on am support why? Me number na da ho no 0554224092. Any support is welcome. Mo besa reach me so that same number. Why? Nti me da mase why? Obusha for me da mase why? Mama nkope drobi no na meti why? Medamu nyina ase. Thank you very much for support. Mama Gina, Mama, thank you very much. Gina K, Mama, thank you very much. Obusha mo support to your mama. O free amana de buy anyama woka. Anyama wo hu obiebie mu kire wa esat or channel or Facebook. Just go type Gina K TV. Gina K, GEENAK, capital K TV. Ubehu ne videos awoye spitting a lot of wisdom, giving you the facts. And you also experience throughout this guy jungle until you can follow her. Gina K TV. Just type GEENAK TV. When you thank you that that's my number, my WhatsApp number. For the support and for the love. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, just go there right now. It's Hell on Earth TV on YouTube. You can go there and subscribe to my YouTube channel over there. Hell on Earth TV. Na me ntwa me ho kakra bi na me mpedro bi nom na me rest kakra acha numere mu ho no mo basa hu me meti asikrum wura ba ho aha ye ni capital city Ghana ye ni capital city afuo bi no capital afuo nwom ye ni capital city thank you very much for listening to me madam asi me sa twa me ho aba why me wan kran yi de me ka jagum sa madam nyina asi bye bye
na ebra MPP ka say yento abama no and you fixing the country in Tinobai. Whoever is against fix the country is stupid. Whoever will speak against fixing Ghana is an animal. We are a poor. We are kwasia. We are against fix the economy, fix the country, you know. So your man paying, so your minister, so your crime, so your musician, so your crime, so we are poor.
Nim say you o man paying na Akufo-Addo.
Menim. Nya dia me oga me ni kwa bo se o ma pani wo Ghana kroma bi se Akufo-Addo ano kwa na luka cho e bi apisi papa e bi aso no de oni mo bi sa we de me ji di
it is unnim say o man pani e fe na Akufo-Addo okay o man pani o hwe yeso ye fe ni
e hwe yeso
yeah
Ghana obi a hwe obi so wo Ghana kroma.
The problem with Africa is that those who have ideas have no power and those with power have no ideas. And that in many ways still informs. So you have all these ideas on how we can green Africa. I listen to you and I can see you are babbling with ideas, but you don't have the power. And the fellow with power has completely no idea. And
Instagram OFAYACSF_Ashanti. Search us on YouTube, Hell on Earth TV. And Facebook, Hell on Earth TV. Hell on Earth TV, you reality.
Swimming pool dear. You be say ya honqua. No logi baby. Now say shabam udem now all night. Now Jemframa. Mother, a reduce BP. Pressure near daddy will come a who near daddy no. Na teso. Na fi fighting. The invention idea with them just a more fresh idea. So that I say, Oba Panono, Ujale, so say ya, Unkwa, and I only couldn't quebi. So that I say, oh, yes, Sheni Padio, Yeni, the legends. How Radinyami. Yamin to Tanya. Swimming pool and you come say chapa. I am say swimming pool and you beat you. And you beat swimming pool para no. Me a DJ 22 city, 55 city, 10 city. Ono tia 10 city na dwe sheni tim say and then me ko buruzu. ampa Ewurade nyame man for modache some people they my future wife no match no or more fa no ebefafo wo dware bibi wem na wo pia awon hini bi what ho ba yo hini sa ma de achi emre bi ko dware bi mo ma na 1 week e free wo emre bi sa kom ni pegu na me boy adaje ni ni dware bibi wem o hwa manfo ho pa box e bi a hye wo mo enyema bi a hye wo mo pa ebi tu bini ne kronsa baba su kodese ube pia ba Johnson no na wo di somoja wa ni somoja na wo Johnson mu achemienu ya so wo be wontafo o yare wani su briu wo be wo kotokoto wo yare baba so no mother mo be nwanwo wa look at this anajo eno ma chichi 10 3 do moye uti se typical swimming course pano makosiana look at any actual murum mbani fonso uti se hey oh lord uye mami Ewurade nyame udware bibi we mu na se gonanya jiba baba so krosa mampele anyawa na wankasa no ubaye no ukuta promise ha look at this the living legend ene obeta so monna mase ana Ewurade ana yeji ani wo chele obi atu ni swimming pool metu ya 10 cedi na nipa be 100 200 mugum no o vele chele wani su briu upie na dwibe anase mampele ana baba so ana ojoso mu chemienu a wona bo se chilling ana ya de hey heroe eko mabon